All right, I'm sure we're live now. Maybe.
Nice.
And I'm going to play music, but you won't be able to hear it. You won't be able to take part. So, apologies to you in advance. Play some vibes.
Well, it's kind of sad.
It is, but you know, so is life.
Oh, what?
But don't worry though. You'll
So
be able to
sad.
hear it on the stream itself whenever it's on the VOD. All right, we'll preview. All right, cool. All right. So this is right? The event updates map to, wait a minute. Never mind. This is right. We're good. You have the app for this, right? The were we using your app ID last time?
That's a good question. I'm gonna have to check the app ID.
Well, let's see. Let's go look to see what it is. It's the 305. If I have it in my environment, then we're good. Turn on my light. I think that's your app. You want me to send it to you? App ID?
I have it. I found it.
All right, so I'm gonna.
Yep, that's my app under demo page.
Okay. I want to put it in my little API thingamajig, and I'll just create a new document for the, and then I can send it to you as well. Make testing this easier. My computer's struggling right now. It's not accepting inputs. Can you send me the REST API key?
Okay, one sec. Incoming on Slack.
What's the name of this app?
Ellie's app.
In OneSignal, I mean.
Yeah, it's called Ellie's app.
Okay. It's very original.
I know. But it shouldn't be surprising at this point.
I had to generate a new secret because it showed up on my screen over there on accident. All right, so we're gonna call this live notification testing. Okay. How did the API become the wrong endpoint? It's the wrong endpoint. It's API.onesignal.com now. So we got to do the authorization, which I think, no, it's not already here. Damn it. And app ID is part of the body. All right, I have no idea how you insert variables into raw JSON. Be nice to know. Oop. Oh. Can you verify that there is a external ID called will test in that app?
Will do.
Huh? Will underscore test?
Yep.
It does exist.
I am looking.
Okay.
I don't see it yet. Let me search for it. Nope.
Are there any external IDs that exist?
Yeah, mine is there. Well, didn't you used to have the external ID Ellie?
Yeah, does that exist in there?
Yeah, that exists.
Okay. Yeah, because we were testing, it's connected to your app because I don't have a Android app that works anymore. Remember that FCM thing? I never did it.
Mm,
All right. I need to put a request variable or something. No.
the deprecation got to you too.
Yeah, but I mean, it's fine. The one that wasn't fine is the Google domains shutdown. That screwed me. I lost my email for a month. I didn't realize I lost it for about 2 weeks. One of our mutual friends let me know. They're like, your email isn't working. It's a bounce back. I'm like, what the hell?
Oh.
All right. So we'll put Ellie. We'll
You should
hard code it
use
for now.
Cloudflare.
Who?
You should use Cloudflare?
Koffler?
Cloudflare?
Oh, you're talking about for my DNS, for my domain hosting. Oh yeah, I do know. I switched. I was trying to fix it on Squarespace because they're the ones who bought it, and it wouldn't let me do it. So I eventually rebought my domain because it had expired. I bought it from Cloudflare, and it was cheaper too, by a lot.
Yeah.
And yeah, I'm just like, you know what? Screw Squarespace for life. Maybe not for life, but for now, and probably life. All right, I'm just verifying what we have now. So I got to put our contents in here and headings. Oh, this is start. Okay, so we'll call this starting live notification. All right, and we do headings. It is a little challenging having to do this more than once, I will say. So hopefully this will be the last time. Putting it in something like this means that we can export it to other formats should we want. All right, I'm assuming that this is fine. We're good to go. Event, key, progress event. Yeah, let's just see what happens. Oh, look at that. First try. But I was dumb. I forgot to actually start the emulator. So let's do that. Oh, and we got to start the app, that part too. wait. How do you? Oh my gosh.
Down in a different way.
Down in a different way. Okay.
Oh, uninstall up there.
Okay.
Nice.
I like that description. Just down in a different way. Okay.
I thought it was like, I don't know, you click it longer versus a quick click,
Don't
but
you use? Don't I thought you used Android?
I don't use,
Oh man, that's unfortunate. I hear it's the better one, the best.
which is why you don't have one.
I'm not deserving of the best. All right. Do you see a new subscription added just now? I'm gonna. Oh shit! Never gonna do this. I'm gonna just assume.
Yes.
Oh, okay. All right, good. I was gonna assume too. All right, let's go to here. Guess I can close this now. It can sometimes take a minute for these to deliver, right? And I think we ran into that.
Not a whole minute, several seconds
Not even
maybe.
sometimes. It's okay. All right.
You enabled everything.
Mm-hmm.
Unable to match desired swap behavior.
Wait, where do you see that? Oh, this. Oh, that's fine. One thing, maybe the okay, the is Ellie. What did I put?
Little underscore test.
Really?
But in your subscription on the app, it doesn't have anything
No, no,
under
no. I
external
put
ID.
Ellie. I put Ellie. Wait, you said I don't have what under external ID?
There's nothing under external ID for your subscription.
Oh, for the new one? Oh, okay. All right.
Yeah.
Let me log in again, I think. Any difference now?
Yeah, you're okay. Yeah, it's all now.
All right, cool. Still nothing. All right, well, that maybe doesn't mean that it's not working. I don't know. Yeah, this song is dope. You know what you should do? Just go to YouTube and go to this.
You mean the song that I can't hear?
Yeah, you can hear it on YouTube though. I don't want to potentially ruin my stream by trying to send it to you and then my computer blows up. And then I'm out for the day. You know?
Oh, has it happened to you a lot?
No, but it can happen. Because, you know, there's a lot of things going on.
Okay, check. Wait. I just sent a regular push, but it didn't send. It failed.
What is the failure reason? Is identity verification on? No, it would have failed. It would have failed on me if it
has not populated yet, so I don't know.
Yeah, I see all of the things. It took a while for them to show up.
All right, we got our failure reasons. Unexpected error, deprecated API.
Huh? Wait. What do you...
That's what it says. Deprecated API.
Notifications. All right, what's FP-ref though?
Are you sure the endpoint is correct?
No, like what's this? What's this FP-ref?
Oh, maybe you accidentally pasted that in. Looks like a weird link.
Let me see. Oh, okay. Yeah, that was I don't. Okay, I'm not sure why that's there. Although that wouldn't have made a difference, would it? Let me remove the cookie. Oh yeah, we get an error this time. Invalid aliases.
Is it because we have two LEs now? Maybe change it.
Nah. The invalid alias is something else. But I mean, yeah, I can change it just to see. So we'll say will. Oh my gosh, this is painful. You don't understand.
Or I can delete your old subscription too. Oh, so late.
Yeah, sure. All right. We are now will. Data here. Sure. It works. Except, yeah, I still don't get a notification.
Now you have two.
Well, there's a potential that something is coming, which is why I'm gonna throw a little breakpoint here and hope that it hits. Am I debugging? I guess I will.
It says you're unsubscribed.
Really? Okay.
Wait, no. Hold on. I mean, your subscription went through, but the test push I just sent.
All right, I'm gonna see if we are getting the notification, but I'm just doing this return. So maybe the body is wrong. Which, remember, we don't have support from the API, so the API wouldn't tell us. So it would be if we could be sending it, but it's not here, I guess we'll see it in the breakpoint. If I can find Paul. Huh, okay, so maybe it's not actually being received then. I was expecting for this breakpoint to get hit.
Mm. Not being received.
Do you see the
But
notification?
are you sure
on,
the
yeah?
endpoint was right?
What should the
Because
endpoint be?
it should be api.onesignals.com/notifications.
Notifications. HTTPS API.
Yeah, that looks right. Mm.
See, the thing is I don't have a live notification payload, right? It's that I need to have that. Let me go to our docs.
I can send you a link.
Yeah, that would help too. Now you can see why I always ask for links. There's so many things.
That's fair. All right, send in Zoom and Slack.
All right. Oh, just FYI, I don't think you made in the documentation office hours. I said that if you have anything in 11.1 or 11.5.1 or 2, like it will be gone at some point. I forget which one it is, but it's in the notes. So if this is in the one, just make sure you move it just in case. Wait. Here we are. Yeah, see, I am missing something. I need a live notification object. Didn't mean to do that. App ID not found. Okay, so that one should have done something. What do you see on? Never mind. Let me just. I think I have access to that app. This is in. Oh, you said it's Ellie. Is it in the One Signal org? You're muted, by the way.
Oh, I just sent you a link in Slack.
Okay.
Yeah, you have to scroll. right. Go back to audience activity. Scroll.
I had to. Oh my gosh. All right.
Dang, that's not intuitive. Okay. Yeah, same error.
Okay. All right. Let's see something. What? Oh, wait. What was that? Just went to another window. Yeah, notifications. Now I wonder if I put it back to the other one, will it work? If so, then that means that maybe we have a regression somewhere. Like maybe if we don't have API.onesignal.com. Although that's what we say to put.
Oh, is it because we require authentication now? Wait, no, but you did do that.
We should have got a 409 or something, or 429 or something like that. If that were the case.
Mm.
But I don't know. Let's try. You know, if this works. Wait, hold on. We are passing authentication though. Never mind. We have it.
Okay.
So you don't know what that can be either. Then.
No.
There's not much to work off of. Is this a new app?
No.
When I'm curious, did you do the FCM
This is the one
upgrade?
we. Oh, interesting. No.
So you haven't done it either then. Okay. That's what I was saying
Wait.
earlier where I'm like, I don't have an app where I've done it. So it wouldn't work.
Yeah, it says API update required. Okay, well, I can do that right now,
Okay.
I think.
It's telling you that in OneSignal that it's up that you. Oh wait, I have access to this. This is your app, right?
Yeah, in the platform. Yeah.
Oh look, yeah, look, my hunch was right. Look at that. I'm always right. No argument. Okay, I'll accept it.
You're expecting one?
I mean, yeah, no, normally people push back and they'll be like, nah, you're not always right.
Okay, let me get.
So what if this whole time we've been thinking that it's not working and it turns out to be this the whole time? This is the life of a developer. Where it's just like the most silly thing is like, oh, okay, sure.
Okay, try again. It's been updated.
Well, I'm sure it'll take a few moments, right? All right, I'm gonna try it. I mean,
wait, yeah, let's see if that's the case.
See how quickly it takes for us to get these things resolved. We go send messages. It says delivered this time. All right, look at that. Oh, that was a fast turnaround. But look at that. It wasn't BS. Nothing here. So now let's see what's going on with this.
There's not gonna be a failure message though.
Well, it says confirm. Oh wait, no, it doesn't say confirmed.
Be right back.
Sure. Okay. I should be able to get a breakpoint to hit when I send this message, but that's not happening.
Okay, I'm back.
All right, what's up?
I'm gonna be munching on the side.
I don't know how I feel about that. Does event attributes, that goes inside of data, right? Yeah, it does. I'm sure. Right? I'm not crazy, right? Yeah, I think I was doing some crazy business. No, I'm still doing crazy business.
Is it the include alias?
Nah, it's right now. It's the notification payload is fine, but the live notification payload isn't. So I just got to make sure that it is. Okay, I think that should be good. So this event attributes and event updates should live in data, and one of them was outside of data. Okay, and I had to go to JSON. Request by is not a valid JSON string. Okay, it's not valid JSON string. Okay. How about now? Still nothing. I think this could be one of these instances where it's working, but it's not, because we've experienced this before where we'll send it and we won't receive it, and then all of a sudden we'll start it up again and they'll all come in all at once. I'm wondering if that's what's happening here. It's gonna be my cope at least, because all of this, we've already done this. All right, well, while that's going, I'll go ahead and create the other requests. We won't be blocked by that. So this is going to be start live notification. Do an update. Oops. Okay, so we at least have our notifications. At least have that. I'm going to send this to you, I think, maybe.
Sweet.
Wait a minute. Hold on. I'm done. Wait. Interesting. I'm looking. Oh, okay. It was opening on my other window. All right. I'm like, I need to send this to you, but I couldn't find it. So this is configured with that app, was Ellie's app, whatever it's called. All right. So download that, and I didn't save the key, so I had to find the key. Give me a moment. So you can unencrypt it.
Cute.
You ready for this key?
Give me what you got.
Wait, what? Hold on. Oh. I'm sending it in another place in Zoom for security purposes. So all of these technically I'm assuming to work, but I'm not getting any of the I'm not getting any of these delivered. And looking at here, I think I am a subscriber. Yes, yeah, look at that. I'm a subscriber. And it got most of this stuff fine. Yeah. So for whatever reason, I'm not receiving any of my messages, and it's showing up that I'm sending myself these messages. See, dismissing. There should be an update, and there should be a start. One of these. Yeah, see, start. And it says that I'm a recipient, so there's that.
Does it matter that the FCM that I uploaded is used for other apps too?
I don't see why it would, but it could. I don't know. I actually, it's on my list. It's on my list to play around more with Android, because I am fairly unfamiliar with it. I know a little bit more about the iOS side of things than Android, which is a problem, right? Because if we have too much expertise in one platform, then that kind of leads the others to not having that great of an experience. But yeah, so far this isn't great where I'm not receiving these. Now, I think you have the same app. Like, you may want to see if you're able to get these now that you have that Rapid API project. That works for you, right? Like, you're able to see the messaging and all that.
Yeah,
different requests.
it's pretty cool that you could just send it. Do you mind if I recruit Brian?
Sure, yeah.
Okay, send him a message.
Yeah, maybe he can give us some insight into what's going on, because, you know, with just looking at the dashboard, there's not much we can do or get. I'm sure we can view the notification, but I don't think we get much more information, but it's worth seeing, I suppose. Let's bring it over here. Can you see my computer lagging?
Good efforts, though. Is it lagging?
I guess not. Yes, it's lagging. It's really bad.
I guess I do. Your cursor is like glitching a little. You have a lot of programs open.
Yeah. It be like that sometimes.
So when our developers go to the backend and examine a specific notification, what are they using?
Huh?
Like, I think like Brian's able to like look at a specific notification in the backend to see like what's going on, or like Chris Hammond's the delivery team. What are they using? Do you know when they investigate it more closely?
No idea, but I will ask if he's joining.
He hasn't responded, but we'll let you know when he does.
Notification ID. Oh my gosh. There we go. Wait, what the hell? I don't see anything that stands out as to why it's not getting. Oh my,
Even the error logs don't really say anything.
which error log? Which error logs?
In
In the app?
Android
No, like
Studio.
I'm not even getting the notification. I have a debug or a break statement here. I'm sorry. What do you call it? Breakpoint. I'm sorry. Yeah, I have one of those there, and that should hit whenever I send a notification. That's not happening. Let's try it again. Excuse me. Yeah, nothing. I'm gonna try to send just the regular. Or no, can you do? Yeah, never mind. I can do it. I forgot I have that. I'm not used to using the app, like in the dashboard. It's weird to me.
You just duplicate something I've sent.
Oh, I guess we're doing just a regular push. All right. I forgot. Oh, subscribed. I think I am a subscribed user.
Yeah, it supposedly went through.
What if it takes a little bit of time? And by a little bit, I mean like hours before.
Mm.
I don't know. I'm just. What else could it be? But yeah, I think it's worth talking with Brian, and yeah, we can ask which system it is because I have access to some engineering systems. But
Can you actually share like notification ID so that he could maybe
yeah,
investigate?
what do you need from me?
A notification ID from the API.
Okay.
Yeah, I also asked my team if anyone wants to join, but no one has responded there either.
Oh, that's so sad. It is a Wednesday though.
So sad.
All right, like
That's
this
true.
is our
Make the Wednesday.
no meeting Wednesdays that are being encroached here.
Which we always meet on.
Yeah, I'm like, I don't know if people know, but that is our no meeting. But I think y'all said that's only for engineering.
Mm-hmm.
And still, here I am, not engineering shit. All right, what am I doing? I forgot. I've already forgotten. Oh, notification. You need a
Notification ID.
All right, I have a lot of them.
Thank you. Okay. Well.
So I'm gonna call this blocked, and I don't think it's. Honestly, at this point, I don't think that it's the client app. I think it's something on the API side because we are getting a delivery per se, but it doesn't show any recipients.
Okay. That's the normal push?
But this one right here?
That you're describing? Yeah.
Yeah.
It is. Okay.
Wait, is it? Yeah, it's the normal one. And we didn't even get that. And as far as I know, nothing's changed. And this was a fresh install with a fresh user, fresh push token, all the things fresh. Still no dice. So yeah, once we can get some certainty into whether or not it's us, like maybe we're calling the API wrong and it's not telling us, but it's just accepting it, that would also be helpful to know. So maybe it's best to like schedule a meeting with Brian, see if we can do it sometime this week. Okay. And who else is over this? Like this is the notification
maybe
API.
Jordan.
Okay.
I think we're currently also making some changes. I wonder if that's ordered.
What kind of changes are y'all making?
Hopefully not. We're enforcing authentication, but
well, we have authentication. We're authenticating right now.
Yeah, I don't think that is a problem, but it's like if they touched anything else, which I'm not sure they did.
Well, let's find out. We'll reconvene then. But as far as I'm concerned, we have our request, so it's like it's very little effort to get it into README. In fact, here I'll show you how to do that right now, because you should have this by default. in Paul. So if you come down to this bottom thing where it says preview, I'm gonna make it smaller so you can... Oh my gosh. Okay. See that little tiny thing that says preview? If you click it, and then it opens up a little thing, and then you have a selection of different things. Just select curl, then you can copy and paste it. But then you got to make sure you delete certain things like secrets.
Right.
But yeah.
Nice. Always so good with the tools.
Yeah, so you can go and update the doc now, right? Like I think that was the thing that you wanted to get done, right? To start, so that's done. All right.
Yay. Awesome. Thanks, Will.
All right then. Have a good rest of the day.
Likewise.
All right. Peace. All right, let's stop this share so I can get processing power back. Oh, you're still here. Oh, okay.
Yeah, well, I thought it was mostly like a sign off for the stream.
Oh, sure, yeah. It could have been. It could be whatever. So now that I know that I'm blocked on this, there's not even a point in me keeping it open. There's some other things that I had open. Here, you see this? Xcode. This was next. Oh, I think you see what the stream sees. Here, let me do this. Now you can see the whole thing.
Wait, we're still streaming?
No. Well, yeah, I'm still streaming. Yeah, I'm still streaming. That's why I was like, you're still here. I was going to stop my screen share because it's making my computer slow. So the screen share is done. So I think right now you should still... Wait, what do you see? Who do you see? Do you see me? Or do you see my screen?
I see your screen with you in the small corner.
Okay. All right. So my bad. So I had Zoom configured for...
There you go.
Well, it's... Yeah.
Okay.
Normally when I know I'm going to have a person on my stream, I do a Zoom stream through Ecamm, which is different. So yeah, you're going to have to see this for now because, yeah. Anyways.
I guess, or I could leave.
Huh? I mean, you're not...
Do you need me around for the rest? What are you doing next?
Well, since you haven't looked, you can look at your docs. Can you read this?
I took a quick glance.
Oh yeah, a quick glance, and you noticed nothing. That's what you're like.
No,
what did
it
you
looks
even
different.
do?
The old like uncopyable format is no longer there.
Uncopyable format. What do you mean?
Like the API reference template with the links and like the fields.
All right. Well, I'll let you know what's coming up because it's coming up. So the overview, I'm probably going to revise this. It's a little light, it's a little bit light. And then I have to do some on how to use this API. There's not enough guidance because it's kind of confusing on how to do this because you have to do the Xcode thing. And then you also got to do the thing over here, tying that together. So that's what this project over here, wherever it went, I had an Xcode project open somewhere. I don't know where it went. Yeah, so that's what this was going to be testing. Was putting all this together and seeing if there's a better way to explain it. And the same thing needs to be done for update live activity. So you'll have your example and then...
Well, what about the other docs we have for starting updating? There's more like explanations.
Are you talking about those product docs?
Code.
Yeah, you're right. So this is where I get to throw my... That's a product doc thing, that's over there. In product doc.
Use what you can.
Well, I'm just saying,
If you can't, then that's good feedback.
Wait, what do you mean? Oh, you mean like use? Well, let's see. Let's see what's there. To be honest, I don't look too much at product docs these days. All right, so what am I supposed to get from this page?
This is like a general what it is. So I would go to like the next one, how to create an update.
All right. What are the top 3 things you want me to know from live activities? Like from what it is? What should I come away knowing if I just do this, what I just did, just glance down?
It's a live, dynamic, interactive push notification that sits on your lock screen. It lives up to 8 hours where you can change it. And I guess another key point is like another common question at least is that like how many can you have on your screen at once, and it's 5. So just like really general like behavioral things.
Okay.
But you're right, there's a lot of text.
Just make it more prominent. Okay. Well, I wasn't saying anything. I'm asking questions. I'm not right about anything. All right.
I know what you're thinking.
How to create and update a live activity. Is this the doc that you're referring to, or are you referring to something else?
Yeah, this is.
Oh, this one?
Yeah, yep, this one. And then the next one is like push to start. So depending on what method you're using. One day when everyone's pushed to start, we'll consolidate it, but it's separate at the time being. Is it? Should we make that more clear?
What? Wait, make what?
In the title that like this doc specifically that you're looking at is for push to start only.
So I would just rename it push to start.
I feel like push to start is such a weird technical term though.
I mean, that's fine. This is a, isn't that what
I might
it's
just
called?
add in parentheses like push to start.
But if that's what it's called, then that's a noun. So it's like, even if it sounds weird, it's still a noun. Let's see. How does Apple describe it? Oh wait, you can see this, right? Or do I need to share my screen again? Can you read any of this?
I can see it.
Okay. We can call it push token for live activity.
Is that what they say?
The push token for a live activity may change over time.
Okay.
But technically, when you start the activity on the device, it does get a token from the server, a live activity token. So this is specifically about sending a push token or sending it via a push notification. All right, well, I'm not going to get into words right now, but I will say that given that we are in live activities, we don't have to keep saying live activities,
Yeah.
See what I mean? Now, you may do this because, if you don't, it may not be a unique page, but you can always make the slug different from the title. And if you want to really make it live activities, you can add metadata, all that kind of stuff. But let's look through here. So we have requirements. Nah. We'll go high level first. Starting at the table of contents, we have requirements, and then beneath that as a child, we have activity ID. And then send your first live activity as a second header. And then its children are 1, 2, and 3. But Star Live Activities has setup, and then underneath that is requirements, and then all underneath setup is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So at least the whatever word you want to use, taxonomy, can be the same.
Okay. Feedback noted.
For this one, requirements, I wouldn't say that activity ID is a requirement of live activity, of whatever this is. Wait, how to create and update a live activity. Yeah. This isn't a requirement, really. It's a requirement of the API, but it's not a requirement to create a live activity. It is and it's not, in a way, right? Like by creating it, you inherently you will create the activity ID because it's created by virtue of you have a class, and the activity ID is that class name. So we can't really call that a requirement. I hope that makes sense. And then sending your first live activity. This is sure. Start a live activity.
Okay, wait, actually, can we do this in a separate session?
Sure.
Yeah, this is like a lot for. I want to like be.
Man, you're gonna love this. What I'm gonna do.
I want to like take a look at them objectively before we like get started, or like make some improvements first.
Okay. Well, in the meantime, you'll have this VOD to ponder over.
VLD.
VOD. Video on demand of the stream.
Oh, true.
Yeah. That's what is one of the benefits of recording stuff. You get to go back and use it as your memory. So the internet's my memory these days. I don't remember shit. At least that's the goal. All right, but yeah, we can go over these and like we can put together, I guess a plan or a strategy for what we can do, and then you can decide what like which one of those things you want to take on. And this will be next quarter, right? Like, because obviously I can't add too much more to my quarter.
Yeah. I hope so. Yeah, there's only a month left. Crazy.
A month.
I'll see what I can just do on my own too, and then hopefully it's in better shape. But yeah, thanks, Will.
Or we can pair. That works too.
Yeah.
And also with other folks. So I think the more people, the better, because
Yeah, we should do that more in general.
Yeah, I know. So you can organize that.
That's good.
All right then. Well, have a good rest of the day.
All right. See ya.
Peace.
Bye.
Okay, where is my HTTP client? Oh man, it was opening over there. I don't know why it was doing that. Let's great. All right. I'm gonna go. I'll be back. Maybe later today. Or most likely later in the week. If I do come back to this today, I'll probably bring it back on stream so I can show working through this. But yeah, I gotta go right quick.